Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Smart TV Q80A. In this video I'll show you how to enter Picture Expert Settings. In the beginning, let's go to Settings, enter Picture, go to Expert Settings, and now you can adjust brightness, contrast, sharpness, color, tint, apply picture settings to all sources or current source. You can change picture clarity settings between auto, custom or off. Next you can enable local dimming between low, standard and high. Then you can enable contrast enhancer between off, low and high. You can enable film mode, change color tone, white balance, gamma, BT, show detail, enable or disable RGB only mode, color space settings, or you can reset those settings. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.